Good morning, students. I hope all are well. Right. So we have read up to this chapter. This was his first flight. In this chapter, we read up to here कि when that young seagull not was not getting food. He was starving. He was just getting mad by looking at the food that his mother is was having in her beak. So that fish, that scraps of the fish made him mad, and he want to get that food, and he was making such a sound, such a voices, ga ga ga, ki I want that food. So when that mother was coming towards him by have carrying that food in her beak, so like up to here we have read. Now let's start with the next part on the page number. This page number, that is the picture is with you. Tapping the rock with his feet. So he was doing, he was just tapping the feet on the rock, means for getting the food. He was just making, efforts from his side ki I should get that food as early I can. Trying to get nearer to her, she flew across, but when she was just opposite to him, she halted. Halted means stopped. तो वो वहाँ रुक गई जब वो उसके अपोजिट पहुंच गई थी. Her wings motionless. Her wings was not having any motion. The peaks of the fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak. Means her beak and his beak are having a means such a little difference was there in between. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then. So this was also the strategy of the mother ki I should stop on the way, and maybe for looking at that food he must fly and he come nearer to me to get that piece of the fish. वन दैट मैडन्ड बाय हंगर, और वो हंगर से पागल हुए जा रहा था. ही डाइव्ड एट द फिश with a loud scream. He fell outwards and downwards into the space. Then a monster terror. What is the meaning of monstrous terror? Monster means the terror means fear. एक ऐसा fear जो monster को देखकर हो जाता है. Seized him, उसे उसने पकड़ लिया, जकड़ लिया. And his heart stood still, और उसका दिल जैसे बैठ गया, रुक गया बिल्कुल एकदम. ही कुड हियर नथिंग, उसको कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया, बट इट ओनली लास्टेड अ मिनट, लेकिन सिर्फ 1 मिनट तक ही ऐसा हो पाया. द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ही फेल्ट हिज विंग्स स्प्रेड आउटवर्ड्स. द विंग्स रश्ड अगेंस्ट द ब्रेस्ट feathers. Then under his stomach and against his wings he could feel the tips of the wings cutting through the air. Means he was finding out that he can fly, and his wings are cutting the his wings are cutting that air. What is the meaning of this word cutting the wings are cutting the means air? This is an idiom. What is it? This is an idiom. In that idiom, it is a proverb, you can say it is a proverb or an idiom. The meaning of this proverb or this idiom is like when he was very much mm, he has collected his all power to just fly in the air. So that speed or that efforts shows that the meaning of this proverb, right? So like what he was doing after that, he was not falling headlong. Now headlong means his head was downward. He keep his head downwards. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards. He was flying upwards. Soaring means flying upwards. Slowly slowly, gradually means धीरे धीरे नीचे की तरफ आता गया. He was no longer afraid. अब उसको डर नहीं लग रहा था. He was just fell a bit dizzy. Dizzy means uncomfortable feeling of spinning around, losing one's balance. कि थोड़ा सा बैलेंस उसका खो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा था उसको लिटिल बिट. When he flapped his wings, जब उसने अपने wings फैलाए, once he was soared upward, ga 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 ga, he was just making the sounds. His mother swooped past him. उसकी मम्मा उसके पीछे उड़कर आई. Her wings making a loud noise. उसके wings ने बहुत ज़ोर से आवाज़ की. He answered her with another scream. And he answered with another scream, their own language he has used. Then his father flew over him screaming. उसके पापा भी उड़ते उड़ते उसके पास आ गए. He saw his two brothers and sisters were also flying around him, and they were also soaring and diving. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. अब उसके मन से वो डर निकल गया कि I could not fly. And he commended her himself, and he praised himself to dive and soar and curve. So he was doing bending, he was just doing diving, and he's striking shrilly, इसने जोर से चीख लगाई. He was near the sea now. अब वो sea के पास पहुंच गया. Flying straight over it. सीधा उसके पास गया. Facing straight over the ocean. ओशन की तरफ बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट फेस करते हुए ही सॉ वास्ट ग्रीन सी beneath him. उसने देखा उसके नीचे बहुत सारा सी है, दैट इज ऑफ मीन्स ग्रीन कलर का कुछ माउंटेन रेंजेस भी है विद लिटिल रेंजेस रिजेस मूविंग ओवर इट. एंड ही टर्न्ड हिज बीक साइडवेज एंड कॉर्ड अम्यूजली. उसने अपनी बीक को साइड में घुमाया और काव काव करने लगा हैप्पीली. अम्यूजडली मीन्स हैप्पीली. His parents and his brothers and sisters had landed on his green flooring ahead of him. उस ग्रीन कलर का फ्लोर था जहाँ पर घास वास उगी हुई थी नियर ऑफ द सी, वहाँ उसके पेरेंट्स भी वहाँ पर आकर उसके साथ साथ आ गए, रुक गए, लैंड कर गए. एंड दे वर बेकॉनिंग टू हिम, और उसको सिग्नल दे रहे थे. बेकॉनिंग मीन्स सिग्नलिंग, कॉलिंग श्रीली, जो से चिल्ला रहे थे. ही ड्रॉप्ड हिज लेग्स टू स्टैंड ऑन द ग्रीन सी, और उन्होंने ग्रीन सी पर आकर अपने लैंड जो है उसने स्ट्रेट वहाँ पे स्टैंड कर दिए. हिज लेग सैंक इनटू इट, और उसकी जो लेग्स थी वो उसमें सैंक हो गई, डूब गई. एंड ही स्क्रीम्ड विद फ्लाइट, और उसने एकदम से ज़ोर से चिल्लाया. एंड अटेम्प्टेड टू राइज अगेन, और दोबारा से उड़ने की कोशिश की. एंड फ्लैपिंग हिज विंग्स, अपने विंग्स को फैलाया. बट ही ट्राइड एंड बट ही वॉज टायर्ड एंड वीक विद हंगर. अब उसको भूख लगी थी बहुत ज़्यादा, और वो टायर्ड हो चुका था हंगर की वजह से. एंड ही कुड नॉट राइज, इतना टायर्ड था कि वो उठ नहीं पा रहा था. एग्जॉस्टेड, बहुत एग्जॉस्ट हो गया था, बहुत थक गया था. In the strange exercise, because this exercise was very strange for him, because he was not used to of this exercise, familiar नहीं था इस exercise से. His feet sank into the green sea, उसके पैर जो हैं वो ग्रीन सी में सैंक हो गए, डूब गए. एंड हिज बेली टच्ड इट, उसके बेली ने उसको टच किया. एंड ही सैंक नो फर्दर, वॉज फ्लोटिंग ऑन इट. एंड अराउंड हिम, वो फ्लोटिंग मीन्स तैरना, स्विमिंग, लाइक स्विमिंग करने लगा वो पानी में. एंड अराउंड हिम family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of the dogfish. उसकी फैमिली मेम्बर्स को प्रेज कर रहे थे. एंड दे वर ऑफरिंग, ये दे रहे थे, स्क्रैप्स मीन्स पीसेस, pieces of the dogfish they were providing. He had made his first flight. So this was the story when he has made his first flight. So means without the support of the parents, without the support of the family, without means the strategy that mother has used, maybe that young seagull was not able to fly yet. So means like this was the motivation. Always everybody want motivation in the life to just get success, to just reach to its goal. So the story, but the lesson we are just getting from the story, कि nothing is impossible in this world for anyone. So means we should have motivation, inner confidence, and the support of the family or the surroundings to get that goal. I hope you understood this chapter. Now we are having some of the questions with us, thinking about the text. Why was the young seagull afraid to fly? Do you think all the young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or some birds more timid than the others? Do you think a human baby also finds a challenge to take its first step? आर यू गेटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन? मीन्स आपको लगता है कि कोई ह्यूमन बच्चा भी है, वो भी इसको भी चैलेंज लगता है कि फर्स्ट स्टेप जब वो रखता होगा बच्चा, तो उसे कैसा फील होता होगा, उसको कैसा लगता होगा. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज देयर फॉर यू. यू शुड हैव टू थिंक ओवर इट एंड यू हैव टू राइट योर एक्सपीरियंस इन रफ नोटबुक, नॉट इन फेयर, इन रफ नोटबुक. द साइट ऑफ द फूड मैडन्ड हिम. फूड को देखकर वो पागल सा हो गया. वट डज इट सजेस्ट? इसमें इसको पढ़कर आपको क्या लगता है, इस लाइन को पढ़कर आपको क्या समझ में आता है? वट कंपेल्ड द यंग सीगल टू फाइनली फ्लाई. किस चीज़ ने उसको मीन्स कंपेल किया, किस चीज़ की वजह से वो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गया और वो उड़ने लगा? They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the eagle's father and mother threaten him and cajole him to fly? क्यों उसके father और mother ने पहले उसे धमकी दी और बाद में उसकी help भी की उड़ने में? As you know कि like father and mother means parents are the means true friend of a human being or any of the creature in this world. So as being a parent, they just motivate him, but if he's not getting motivated, so they just threaten him, or at last they have helped him out also, as usually our parents are all doing the same thing. Have you ever had a similar experience where your father encouraged you to do something and you were too scared to try? Discuss this in pairs or group, means you have to write your own experience about this question. कि sometime it happens with you कि आपने कोई नई चीज़ ट्राई की हो और आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको, and you were getting very much scared for that, maybe riding of any bicycle or bike, or any other vehicle, or maybe any other thing, like you have to speak on the in front of anyone, means on the stage. So you were getting scared, and your parents or somebody else, your teacher, motivated you, and then you got risen up. So maybe how you have to write down any experience, any similar experience of these things. In the case of the bird flying, it seems natural act and the foregone conclusion that it should succeed. In the examples you have given in any answer of the previous question, वो सक्सेसफुल ग्रांटेड, मीन्स आपने जो पिछले क्वेश्चन में आप आंसर देंगे तो उसमें आपको बताना है कि वो आपने सक्सेसफुल हुए आप उसमें या नहीं, और इट वॉज हैपन, इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू ट्राई रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ फेलियर। मे बी आप कभी फेल भी हो जाते हैं ट्राई करते करते, बट यू शुड नॉट लूज़ योर हार्ट, यू शुड हैव टू ट्राई, यू शुड नॉट लूज़ योर होप। और हमें अपनी बार बार उसको ट्राई करते रहना चाहिए, और ट्राई करते करते ही सक्सेस गारंटेड मिल जाती है। So this you have to write down this also, means like fourth and fifth question is just means up to your choice which experience you want to write. Still I'll be sharing these answers also with you. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you should write down in your words in rough notebook, and in the evening I'll be sharing the answers of these questions. So hope for the best, and just stay indoor and be safe. Thank you.